All right, we have a 5,000 square foot house built in 1926, and you're about to see what happens when you give an old house what it needs. So to start off on the exterior, we refreshed all the stucco, new paint job, caulked and patched where it needed to be, brand new windows throughout, and new trim work to match that. Get this some curb appeal. All right, we're gonna start this project where every visitor starts, in the porch. We were able to replace all the windows as we talked about. This also is stucco, so it got a new coat of paint, patched, painted the ceiling, new light fixture, really brightens this up. We were able to keep the original wood door, which has a neat feature to it. You turn these latches in the glass and wood pop out, and you can put in a new screen for the summertime, let that fresh air breeze through your porch. We're here in the living room. It is exactly what you would expect for this house in one frame. Fresh white walls, fresh white ceiling, and all of the original woodwork refinished and redone, all in one place where it's supposed to be. Great, in this room we also got brand new LVP flooring with quarter round butted up against the original trim work. That's Dutch oil, so we're all good and everything is copacetic on that standpoint. And then we're gonna move to this closet here, which was actually a really crazy wallpaper, and we got that tore out, new paint and patched, along with refinishing the doors and the hardware. Left the mirror on because it's built inset, so it's part of the original woodwork. All right, check it out. We're gonna do the dining room next. And so for the dining room, we left the original woodwork in here, new Dutch oil, kept the dining room door along with the original woodwork for the upstairs. This also got a new light fixture, as throughout the whole house, new coat of paint, new ceiling, and new flooring. We're still in the dining room, and we have brand new windows in here. Throughout the whole house, we got all new windows, but this was kind of key because the sun does shine through here. It's great to light up the whole dining room with some natural sunlight. Brings a nice aesthetic to the property. All right, now we're on to the kitchen. In the kitchen here, it got a complete remodel, but we were able to leave a few key pieces. One being the original tile here, just got an epoxy coating to refresh that in white. We got new granite countertops, 12 feet exactly. New sink, new faucet, new P-trap, all of that, along with the new range. New microwave on its direct circuit, so that's working right as it should. And brand new cabinets, along with a little breakfast area where you can put your toaster, your microwave, all that good stuff. And then also a new refrigerator. And this is a great brand new kitchen for a cook with this new stove, new microwave, new appliances all throughout. It's great for entertaining because you have a nice big dining room out there and a living room. Great for entertaining. All right, now we're in the mud room, or the foyer as they used to call it back in 1926. Got a little pantry here for all your dry goods. When you come through here, new flooring, new light. Great place to put your bench, take your shoes off, hang your coat up. Okay, this house has 2 bedrooms on the main floor right off of the dining area. We were able to keep the original hardwood doors, get them a refresh, keep the hardware and the locks, along with, this is an older feature, but it does have sconces along with the brand new ceiling fan that we put in, and obviously new carpet. This room did have the trim painted white already, so we just gave that a refresh. That moves us into the main floor bathroom, where we were able to keep the original door hardware. It's got the nice crystal knobs. We did do a new vanity and sink with faucet, new lighting, kept the original mirror, and we were able to keep the original tile. That got a new epoxy coat, so it's all clean white, along with the tub, new flooring, and a new stool. Here we are in the rear bedroom of the house. Same story, different view from the backside. All right, that brings us upstairs. We have an exterior door, brand new, provided by Geldwin. The label's still on it, so we'll get rid of that before the showing. And then over here, we do have the entrance to the attic. It got brand new, fresh, blown insulation in it to keep this house regulated and nice and cool in the summer and warm in the winter. That brings us upstairs here, where we have a mother-in-law unit. It could also be just rented out, but it does come with a small kitchenette and a place for a very small refrigerator. The cabinets are original. They got refreshed with a white paint. Brings us to the upstairs entertainment area. You could use it as a living room or a family room, little couch, TV. And then it brings you into the master suite up here. All right, now we're in the mother-in-law bathroom. This is pretty much the same scenario. New paint, new flooring, new vanity. The tub is original. Windows stayed the same. Trim work is also original. New mirror, new lighting. And this is actually an entrance to the attic that we won't need to show. Okay, we're gonna leave you where we met you. This house is 1926. It's back on the block, and we'll see you on the next block.